Top 10 football clubs, let's see.
Muchas gracias, oficial. Este para vosotras.
Chelsea. 8, really good. Let's Manchester United. Number 10, the best one. Manchester City. Number 1, really nice. Paris sunt în Germania. Number 9, fece bai de muci. Number 2, really good. Fece Real Madrid. Number 3, let's see. Adrian, copilul meu care mănâncă gei să cacă prune. 6, also good. Andrei Shevchenko, Juventus. 7, really good. Liverpool. Floor, and number 5 is Barcelona, of course.